I would say believing in themselves, because girl, that's not easy to do.
Really?
Yes, it's so simple when you say it, but to really believe in yourself and not give a bleep. You feel me? I feel that's very important.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.
Where Lacey?
Oh my God.
With
Here
Sweetie.
you go with the video.
Yeah, what you wanna do? We in Bompton with it though. Yeah. That's my brother though, this motherfucker. I know the rules,
Hey, the city back up. It's a must.
We outside. Hey, tell him we want this too, blood. Excuse me, gang.
Southside.
We want this too. Oh, y'all get the cut. Actually, get this for your bro. The ice.
Back up. It's a must.
We outside. This what we
Hey, bro, we got sauce out here with us too.
Southside, nigga. We in Bumpton with this shit.
Yeah,
Ain't
man.
signed to Kelly, nigga, like
Come on.
motherfucking Robert Ory, though.
You already know.
Burn
Feel me?
Southside.
Come on. Meet the wolves and say that.
Must we outside.
West side.
I told her to get my phone to Roddy.
don't do no plan. We in Bompton heavy. YG, we in Bompton heavy. Power Room Street. They know what time it is, man. If they don't know, they can figure it out. My favorite white boy, DJ Kid Capri. I'm chilling with my folks. Look where we at, nigga. On Bompton, nigga. We in the set. Nigga, West Side, nigga. E&G's, nigga, the neighbors, nigga. All bloods, nigga. Wild Road, whoa. Nigga, we got Sauce Walka out here. We got everybody whooping. We got every blood there is here.